Hey guys, what's up? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to stop Windows 10 from automatically downloading and installing updates. There's two different methods to do it. Let's get started with the first method. Come down to my computer, right click on it and select Manage. Now click on Services and Application, double click on Services, scroll down to Windows Update, double click on Windows Update and click on Stop. Now in this way it only apply local session. If you want to permanently disable the automatic updating, go up to Startup Type, select Disable, click on Start, click on Apply and click OK. This will immediately apply after you do it. Now if you want to re-enable your automatic updating, you're gonna have to come right back to this area, then double click on Windows Update again, then click on Stop. From the startup type, select Automatic Delayed Start, click Apply, then click on Start to start it back up, then click OK. Now let me show you the second method. Go down to search box, write down Run, click to open it and in the box write down MMC, that means Microsoft Management Console. Click OK, click Yes and Microsoft Management Console will show up. Go to File, click Add Remove Snap-in, then find Group Policy Object, double click on it, click Finish, then click OK. Now go to Local Computer Policy, double click on it, go to Computer Configuration, then click on Administrative Templates, then select Windows Component, stress it a little bit, then find Windows Update and double click on it. Then from the right side menu, you have to find Configure Automatic Updates. Double click to open Configure Automatic Update panel. Then click on Enable to enable it. Now you have more options to select. You can select any of them. I'm going for Notify for download and auto install. Then click on Apply to make changes. But you have to restart your computer to take effect of changes you have done. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and make sure to comment down below.